Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, today we are going to see subject English only, and before going into the poem we'll see in the last YouTube classes we learned lesson 1 Black Beauty, poem 1 Come Out With Me, and lesson 2 Skipping Shoes, isn't it children? So two lessons and one poetry has been over. I think everyone has written in your English notebook. Okay children, today we are going to see poem 2 Butterfly Laughter. Poem 2 Butterfly Laughter. Okay, butterfly laughter means what? Which makes laugh. We are going to see about the butterfly only. Okay children, okay, and see, this poem was composed by Catherine Mansfield. This poem was composed by Catherine Mansfield. Okay, children, and see, she is the Catherine Mansfield. Wait, I'll show her the picture. See, she is Catherine Mansfield. Okay, children, she is the author of this poem, Butterfly Laughter. Okay, okay. We'll see about Catherine Mansfield first. She was a prominent means well-known writer who was born and brought up in New Zealand. She wrote short stories and poetry under the pen name Catherine Mansfield. See, this is her pen name. Pen name means what, children? A name used by a writer instead of the writer's real name. So, her real name is what, children? Kathleen Mansfield Murray. Kathleen Mansfield Murray, but she wrote under the pen name Catherine Mansfield. Okay, for writing she used this name, but her real name is Kathleen Mansfield Murray. Okay children, okay, she was born in 14th November 1988 in New Zealand, and she died on 9th Jan 1923 in France. She was born and brought up in New Zealand, but she died in France. Okay children, before going into this poem, we'll see few lines about the poem. Okay, it is based on the theme of how a small joke can create wonders in your life. See, here a small joke has been cracked by whom? Grandmother. Okay, how it create wonders in your life, and it can bring laughter. Laughter means what? Happiness. Laugh in your life. It is based on the blue butterfly. It is based on the blue butterfly, which is painted on the plates of the children. So many of them, what we like the pictures and the plates, isn't it? We all will be very happy by seeing that plates and all with pictures. So in grandmother's house, she was having all the plates with blue painted butterfly in the middle of the plate. Okay children, so we'll see. First I will read this poem twice and then I will explain it. Okay children, okay. See, before that, once again I'll see, the poet describes a sweet and caring grandmother who shares a little joke with children in order to make them laugh. See, in holidays and all, we will be going to grandparents' home, isn't it? How many of them will be very happy, children? Yes, most of them will be very happy, isn't it children? That time grandmothers will be telling stories, jokes, and they will be taking you outside and all. So many of them will be very happy. Likewise, only the author as the children all went to grandmother's house, and the poet means she is one of the children. She is one among the children. The poet describes in this poem, she describes a sweet and caring grandmother who shares a little joke with children in order to make them laugh. The children are happy to hear it almost every day. Daily the grandmother was telling that same thing. They show a loving relationship with the grandmother, and they all enjoy the little joke while eating porridge every day. So in the dining table only this joke will be said by grandmother. So it made them happy while eating breakfast. Okay children, now I'll read children. In the middle of our porridge plates, there was a blue butterfly painted. And each morning we tried who should reach the butterfly first. Then the grandmother said, "Do not eat the poor butterfly." That made us laugh. Always she said it, and always it started us laughing. It seemed such a sweet little joke. I was certain that one fine morning the butterfly would fly out of our plates, laughing the teeniest laugh in the world, and perch on the grandmother's lap. Children, if you have book, you have to take page number 21 and you have to recite after along me, so that it will be very easy for you to read. Once again, I'll read, children. In the middle of our porridge plates, there was a blue butterfly painted. And each morning we tried who should reach the butterfly first. Then the grandmother said, "Do not eat the poor butterfly." That made us laugh. Always she said it, and always it started us laughing. It seemed such a sweet little joke. I was certain that one fine morning the butterfly would fly out of our plates, laughing the teeniest laugh in the world, and perch on the grandmother's lap. Okay, children, now I'll explain it, children. So listen carefully, okay? See in the picture, can you see picture? See, it's the dining table, isn't it? It's the dining table, and see here the plates and porridge is here. So inside that porridge and the middle of the plate only, what is there? A blue butterfly painted. So we cannot see. After eating the porridge only we can see that one, isn't it? So in the middle of our porridge plates there was a blue butterfly painted. And each morning we tried who should reach the butterfly. So the children are having breakfast with their grandmother. So she is the grandmother. Can you see the picture, children? So she is the grandmother. She is the grandmother, and there is a blue butterfly painted in the middle of their plates. So the children's plates, in all the plates, what is painted? Blue butterfly is painted. So what they are going to have for their breakfast, children? They are going to have porridge. Porridge means what, children? It is the breakfast cereal which is made by boiling oats in milk or water. Boiling oats in milk or water. Not only oats, children, they can make in rice, wheat, barley, maize. For in everything they can make porridge. Okay, porridge means in Tamil we say kanji. We will say kanji. Okay, children. So then see, and each morning we tried who should reach the butterfly first. So what's the meaning means, see, there is a blue butterfly painted in the middle of the plate, and every morning what the children will do, children, they will be very hungry. Isn't it, children? They'll be very hungry. So what they will do? They are competing with each other. So the children, everyone know, we also will put competition, isn't it? Who will eat first? Like that we will be doing along with our sisters and brothers. Likewise, the children are competing with each other. Who will finish the porridge quickly and who will reach the butterfly first? Because if they eat the porridge only, they can see the butterfly, isn't it? So they had a competition that who will eat the breakfast first, that porridge first, and who will reach the butterfly. So they were competing with each other. So then the grandmother said, "Do not eat the poor butterfly." That made us laugh. Always she said it, and always she started us laughing. It seemed such a sweet little joke. So then the grandmother said, "Do not eat the poor butterfly." That made us laugh. So grandmother wanted to add a pinch of laughter. So because they were all eating very fast, so grandmother said, "Do not eat the poor butterfly." So she wanted to crack a joke. She was so pinch of laughter to a breakfast when they are eating. Grandmother wanted to add a joke. So by saying, "Do not eat the poor butterfly," painted on the plate. That made us all children laugh. It made all the children laugh because they were having their breakfast so quickly. Okay. I was certain that one fine morning the butterfly would fly out of our plates, laughing the teeniest laugh in the world, and perch on the grandmother's lap. Okay, children. Certain means what, children? Sure. Certain means what, children? Sure. Okay, children. The speaker is saying, see, speaker means what, children? Who is one among the children, among one of the children. The speaker means she only, Catherine Mansfield only is telling. So, the speaker means who is one of the children. That certain means sure. Sure, one fine morning, the butterfly would fly out of our plates. So she is she is imagining and she is telling that the butterfly would fly out of our plates, laughing the teeniest laugh. Teeniest means what, children? Teeniest means what? Smallest laugh in the world, as it is the tiniest creature. So butterfly is the tiniest creature, isn't it? It has many colors, isn't it? Many colors. And what happened, it would perch, that because the butterfly is tiniest creature in the world, as it is the tiniest creature in the world, and would perch. Perch means what, children? Perch means sit. Perch means what, children? Sit and rest on the grandmother's lap. Sit and rest on the grandmother's lap. So the speaker is telling, one day I'm sure that the butterfly would fly out of our plates, and it will go and sit on the grandmother's lap. Lap means what, children? The flat surface. The lap means what, children? The flat surface. What? The top flat of legs that form flat surface when we sit down. So when we sit down, that will be a flat surface, isn't it, children? That is called lap. So the speaker is telling the butterfly, one day it will fly off from our plates, and it will sit and rest on the grandmother's lap, and it will say save me, like that. See, can you see here, children? See, the butterfly is trying to fly, and it's going to sit on the grandmother's lap. So the poet is imagining, and she's telling that one day it will fly off from our plates, and it will sit and on the grandmother's lap, and it will say save me, like that it will be telling. So this is the meaning of this poem. Okay, children. Once again I will read, children. In the middle of our porridge plates there was a blue butterfly painted, and each morning we tried who should reach the butterfly first. Then the grandmother said, "Do not eat the poor butterfly." That made us laugh. Always she said it, and always it started us laughing. It seemed such a sweet little joke. I was certain that one fine morning the butterfly would fly out of our plates, laughing the teeniest laugh in the world, and perch on the grandmother's lap. Okay, children. Now I'll underline some of the words for new words. Okay, children. So you also underline so that it will be very easy. So what you can do, you can learn the new words. Porridge, butterfly, and then what you can say, grandmother also you can underline, and then laugh, then what, seemed, joke, certain, and then teeniest, perch. Understood, children? So these are the new words. These are the new words. What you can do, you can write 3 times and you can send it to me. You can write 3 times, you can send it to me. And now what I will do, I will show you the synonyms. So synonyms, children. Porridge means what, children? Porridge means a dish consisting of oatmeal or cereals boiled in water or milk. Example, rice, wheat, barley, and maize. Okay, children, with these also we can make porridge. With these also we can make porridge. Okay. Certain means what, children? Certain means what, children? Certain means sure. Certain means sure. Certain means sure. And started us laughing. Started us laughing means, children, made us laugh. Started us laughing means made us laugh. And then teeniest. Teeniest means what, children? Smallest. Teeniest means what? Smallest. And perch means sit. Perch means sit. what I will do, I will send it to you in WhatsApp, children, because it's not clear little bit. Okay, lap means what? The top flat of legs. The top flat of legs that form flat surface while we sit down. The top flat of legs on that form flat surface while we sit down. Okay, children. So how many meanings are there? 6 meanings are there. So when I send book exercise and question answer, you can copy down. Okay, children. If you want to learn, I will send you in WhatsApp so that you can learn. Okay, children. Okay, children. This poem is not the memory poem. But what you have to do, children? You have to read. You have to read. Understood, children? You have to read so that it will be very useful for you. Okay, children? Okay, we'll meet in the next class. Thank you. Bye.